Pempek adaan menggunakan tepung pempek ikan ekonomis by Ita Yudis. Hasilnya banyak sekali. Adonan pempek adaan.
Bisa dipanggang, enak, lembut, mau dijajah dan saya jual. Terima kasih, salam sukses, selamat Palembang.
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave